Retail has shifted away from selling products to creating a great customer experience. Customers are in the driving seat, expecting an experience targeted to their needs and lifestyle. Customers are more informed than ever, demanding a personalised service, transparency, and detail-rich information. Ultimately, they want to be in control of their shopping decisions. However, data provided by suppliers to retailers has traditionally focused on supply chain and B2B, and therefore has limited customer value. As a result, there is an impact on the customer's experience in their ability to find the required products and to verify if those found match their allergy and lifestyle needs. To enable retailers to fulfill customer expectation, Ivis Group have launched rimaRetail, the world's first real-time product enrichment service to enhance the customer journey. Ivis Group have distilled 25 years' experience in supporting global retailers to create a suite of services that deliver product enrichment, nutrition ranking, recipe management, and cleansing capabilities. rimaRetail uses XAI cloud services, incorporating a broad range of expertise, ranging from technology, food science, as well as merchandising and marketing. rimaRetail provides an MTM made-to-measure enrichment service, enabling customers to shop the way they want. MTM enrichment enables customers to easily find, verify, inspire, plan and share their experience. rimaRetail takes the problem of managing and enriching product data and delivers rich information as an outsourced service. Being technology and product schema agnostic, rimaRetail enables seamless integration and is customizable with full enrichment transparency for auditing purposes. We would welcome an opportunity to transition your customer relationship from product retailing to retailing as a continuous dialogue.